Very fast travel! Holy crap! Shut up.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in northeastern Texas, western Ross County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, southeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, central Upshur County in northeastern Texas, Gregg County in northeastern Texas, Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mineola to 7 miles to the northeast, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tyler, Longview, Jacksonville, Henderson, Kilgore, White House, White Oak, Gladewater, Rusk, Gilmer, Mineola, Lindale, Overton, Bullard, Troop, Big Sandy, Hawkins, Alto, New London, and Berryville. For your
This one isn't receiving any warnings.
On the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
No joke.
Remember, if you can hear thunder,
You're close enough to be struck by lightning. Cracks me up how no weather radio says that.
Until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Cherokee, Gregg, Nacogdoches, Rusk, Smith, Upshur, and Wood. At 7 a.m. Flash flood emergency for Valiant. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has extended the flash flood warning for west central McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 5 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for Valiant. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wright City, Valiant, Millerton, Glover, Slim, Golden, Ruth, Ringgold, Oak Hill, and Holly Creek. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Dangerous flash flooding is occurring or is imminent. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing flood waters. If you are in an area subject to flooding, move to higher ground now. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. In the late rain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, the flash flood warning has been extended until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: McCurtain, Oklahoma.